This is a really tiny track that's meant to be an Easter egg. You can print the egg too, but that would waste a lot of filament and I don't care to do that. What I wanted to do with this, aside from making a cute thing, was to make a print in place, to print a print in place design. Print in place, for those of you who don't know what it means, is this thing. Basically, you can print multiple pieces that can be hinged or just not connected to each other, and in one go, instead of printing them separately, which wouldn't work here anyway, because the hinge here is fully covered, it's not snapped in, so you just couldn't make this with multiple pieces. And the wheels also, I had a lot of difficulty making them turn. They're supposed to turn, you can see it now. The first print I made, I ended up breaking the wheels trying to make them move. I did have to force them in this one too, and the back wheels don't move, and I don't plan to make them because I don't want to break them, and I'm happy enough with the front wheels moving. So this kind of thing is cute but also useful in many cases, because you can print several designs, like smartphone holders that fold in various ways, all sorts of mechanical things, and that's actually kind of the reason I wanted a 3D printer. I mean, not the reason, but the thing that made me go, well, this is actually pretty cool, because I wasn't seeing a lot of stuff that I could do before, aside from, aesthetical items or replacement parts for things, but I'm not good at fixing stuff anyway. This kind of print makes me able to, I don't know, make a wallet that has a button to eject the cards and show them, present them. That's one print I want to make. I haven't tried it yet, but I will. Really all sorts of things, from still aesthetical but with movement and stuff to actually useful. So that's it for now.